A lot of people come online to do what they don't have passion or desire for. Before you can earn online, or before you can make a lot of income for yourself on the online space, you need to have passion, desire for what you are doing or for what you intend to do. So that is that whatever profession you find yourself or you engage yourself with, there is need for you to have passion. Passion, very, very important. Desire in whatever skill or intention or profession you are into. So, and this passion will help you focus on your goal. Then talent is known as a skill or the gift naturally inherent in you. So you can start as an employee, but don't end up as an employee. Desire to grow, to expand, to increase, to multiply your horizon, so that eventually that particular intention you intend to achieve will become fulfilled in your life. So you can start as an employee, but don't end up as an employee. Please do not die as an employee. Acquire the skill that will make you forge ahead, increase and multiply. That at the end of the day, you'll be independent and financially free. And another thing that is a success formula that you need to apply is association. Who are your friends? Who do you relate with? Who are your close pals? And this is very, very important. Who are those you are relating or associating with? If you want to be a global person, are you relating with a local person? This is very, very important. It's not about pride. It's about what you want to achieve or attain, or what you want for yourself at the long run. So if you want to be a global person, or if you want to be an international person, then you relate with people in that realm. If you want to start earning in dollar, are you relating with those that are earning in naira or your local currency? So what I'm trying to say is this: your intention will eventually determine your goal or your achievements in the long run. So after having all this association, skill and all that, they need to take action. Take action. When you desire a particular thing and you don't take the step, you don't leap out in faith or in whatever belief system you have, if you don't leap out, me as a Christian, I leap out and I believe, I take the step of faith to achieve my intention, because I have God who is helping and sustaining me. So you need to have a higher being that will help you achieve your goal. And like the Bible rightly says, it is God who gives power to make wealth. So God is the one that gives the power. Even if you have the passion, you have the skill, you have the association, the right person, the right people associating or relating with you, you still need God in the equation to make it a balanced equation. So you need God. It is God who gives power to make wealth. So as you put God in the equation, then you also need to take action. When you take action in the right direction, it will give you the desired result and it will make you blossom in at the end of the day. So inflation is increasing, and this era we are in now, the amount of money you have saved in the bank, maybe last week, inflation has eaten on it. So it is not the same amount again in the market because of inflation. That is why the place of investment comes in. When you invest your income, when you invest your resources, it will multiply to you in a multiplied form 10 times, and at the end of the day, inflation will not have effect negatively on your money, because you have already traded with it, you have multiplied it, and it has increased for you, so that the amount of money the amount of things you can buy now will increase, and you also have the purchasing power because of the investment you have put yourself or involved yourself with. So investment is also important. Action is important. Investing your money in the right places. And let me quickly say something here. Please stop sending your money to people on the online space. Do the investment yourself. If anybody comes and tell you, I can invest for you, don't worry, send money to me. Please don't mind them. A lot of scammers are on the online space intending for people to send money to them so that you can get scammed. For you to avoid getting scammed, stop sending money to anybody. Do the investment yourself. A lot of stocks you can buy on the US stock market. You can get involved with forex market. And if you are feeling or you are thinking you cannot trade yourself in the forex market, you can do copy trading. It's another way of you also trading. You can do copy trading. The particular broker will put the trade on the platform. You copy it and you just do the same. And if you are looking for a particular broker you can invest with that you will gain maximally, you can just DM me or put your question in the comment section. I will give you a reliable trading platform or for a broker that you can trade with, even with a copy trading that you earn maximally for you. Like me, I'm using a particular trading platform, a particular broker, and it has been paying me. I've been getting a lot of interest, a lot of income, profits all this while. So you can also do that and you'll be happy for yourself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, watch me on Facebook Reels, on Instagram, on TikTok, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.